Yeah. It's been a minute. Way too long. Yeah. Check it. Yeah. Locked in a cage of my own making. I was between the hearts that we were breaking. I seen your face in the shadows of the neon light. Praying for the day we finally make it right. Every flight felt like a year in the sky. Staring at the clouds while the seasons pass by. I kept the letters that I never even sent. Wondering if you knew exactly what you meant. Now I'm standing at the terminal, heart on my sleeve. Watching you walk through the gate, I can finally breathe.
Yes, baby.
Why did you go to Abina's shop for to consult her? Why?
Consult?
Yeah.
On what?
Frank was telling me that you went there.
Yes, I did.
Why?
But I didn't consult her.
You do what?
I only asked her to talk to her friend, Tina, regarding the money. The money she owes you.
You know something? These girls, they can disrespect you anytime.
Well,
So
I didn't like how she behaved towards you.
I know, so that is why I don't want you to get yourself involved. Because you know, say me that form that I'm sorry I say. About disrespect her, I can disrespect myself.
No, you don't have to disrespect yourself.
And I don't want you to get yourself involved so that they can disrespect you.
Well, that you have a point, but
Yeah.
you don't have to say it that people can disrespect you.
Oh yes, me too. I disrespect people, so it's normal.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have a point.
So I don't want you to get yourself involved. Me, I didn't know. Frank told me that Abena told him you came there, and he didn't tell me that you are going there.
I know. Abna even asked, and I told her that you had no idea I was coming. But
yes, but you're supposed to tell me.
I'm sorry.
If you were able to tell me earlier.
If I told you.
You told me earlier, I won't let you go.
Me sorry, me.
I don't want them to disrespect you.
It's fine, really. I think even going there was a mistake because it doesn't look like they are willing to get you your money back. The way Abna was even behaving.
That again, it's not today. This girl have been chopping my money since. And right now that I want to collect my money back. But she's doing, and I swear to God, me first can channel.
It's fine.
I always tell myself.
It's fine.
Because it's very painful. Do you know the girl has opened a shop through my money?
With your money?
Yes, with my money.
How can it be through your money, babe?
I said you use my money to open the shop. So it's through my money that she opened the shop.
Is it fine?
Cosmetic shop.
Where?
It's Legon. Here is Legon.
Is that why she's calling herself the queen? Because she has a cosmetic shop?
She has been chopping different after or 3 million no occupation, so don't get yourself involved, okay? But I'll collect my money.
You are not collecting anything. Let's just end it. You said you're disrespectful and I agree with you. Say no. I've got some money for you. Here. Take. This is £1,000.
Why are you doing? I just don't want you to get yourself involved.
I've already gotten myself involved, babe. I'm dating you.
And that is my money. I'll collect it by myself.
You won't collect anything. Because as you rightfully said, I don't want that for any of us. So it's fine, let's just drop it. Don't ask her for the money. This is pounds. Go exchange and then
hello.
Hi, Frank. Hi. Let me just go. I was actually leaving. Assassin.
Okay, and thank you for the money. I really, really appreciate it. You didn't come home. You didn't come home. No, that's on Sole. Sorry. Madness.
I had a
man.
Planning now, bear madness. Eh? I'm not saying anything. Sorry.
Hi.
Baby, I'm on his Mama and Sakura, I know I was a baby. There be also all of us chasing me, Yansa. When I bet you more about me,
he's taking care of me, it's fine. It's okay. Thank you.
You're not going to have a better suspect. Bye. I don't want him to disrespect you. I bet now I know because I know I bet you disrespect him.
Is that?
Yeah, just go. All right, I will get back. Why? Mr. Oko. To be any disrespect. No, so man, I did. It's a brand new more. It can make the turn out actually.
No one, yes, I'll be no home, yes, sir.
Oh, I'm okay.
Ah. So you're actually disrespecting me?
Baby, please. Obviously, I disrespect you. Let's go. Right, let me take it.
No, I don't know what you bought from sir. Me so much.
Also, one idea.
No, hey.
Oh, yeah, why? Also, one idea. Where am I?
George.
No, where am I? I won't so any Pebiana. Ah, about so many impressive until winning. No, and I better say, when you would say, where am I?
Let's me say so crowd, Tiantia.
No, I better say,
what do you have to disrespect me? That means he's right.
Maybe I'm covered.
Don't do that. Oh, problem one. You're so deep and move on. Sorry, babe, just hold on.
So deep now.
Oh, Java.
Let me take you. Let me. Yeah. When we are coming from the side, call me. Okay. I'll wait for you.
I almost want the roofing sheets be by itself.
Okay. Oko bonnet dance.
Nah. So I say, I'm bracing the dear vida that. I feel no boss.
What's a gay when you brigade?
I feel no about that.
David, gay when you bring.
What reason?
The we is see a problem say. Again, when you this is pounds.
Yeah, it's coming.
Pounds.
Pounds.
Tina case no. So say as I guess nobody disrespect me too much. And on person be my better than yeah disrespect me my continue. Otua meka.
We need say.
I weigh 1,000 pounds.
1,000.
Edu una hu ni say. Say me ni kura me.
Say 5.
Me ni kura me.
Oh,
it you know. Bem oba de
na say na office obetua ma ade na o ma na ko adwuma mu.
What's that?
Say na office obetua ma ade na na
wo
ha
me.
Me. Da bi ade na na wo ha me.
Me house say.
O say ha bena. Na say nipa obetima atua ma.
Me ha bena.
Hey George.
Masa, unu de okekenti no. Unu oba tia. Oba se bi asem to obetimi aboa wo. O say e ba critical no so mo disrespect no no abem. Abrango de.
Mira inside Sesame Honami Matern and Papa.
Namian
Nisi Simon.
The Ben I will see near Mamma Dimini or Mabassi Mamada. Ada whom is a mea Crebiana, as I say, Amanda.
Now, would you know when Yakola? Would you know when Yakola? Who was 72 years? There be nothing, me knew your colleague, so why would you? But some in chain when I was now when you tell me to the Emmet, what's a mitzvah chain today? Miss on chain, maybe I went to enter a basis in Mamma Memorial Buana. Now the way I want an idea. I'm a woo. A one so. Into me, yes, who's seen a man who do or grab me hanky crab, who's me jaho. Now, I didn't know me out to me, James, and go on your men's income. Madame means and how won't Casabi. And I'm so money, one casa fauci cat or what? I almost sick, I say. A wafa frail. Of Ziggy. And you may offer. Or friends, I say, are they? And then my friends are one foul. Are they ye be a mukumo? Baby, Nanka, my friend, Nanka, my catch and zenka, Uncle Jam, and I am connected to me more. Nanka, in a neck and cocasa and she sanka. Or the betchamina, my sign. Who were for penny in Koja one neck, Wamanda? And say none or buy and or catch him, so I should try and do something about it. Intino, me organize. Try and do something about it, Intino. Oh, how of a penny, someone can call boyfriend at show, boyfriend. And so no name neck. Amanda, no Casacra no support him in a naked, and it's a day no buy has seen no canoe, or could you con consacrate or buy no, or no Casacra catcher him say, Nick or any papa. Intino, men tries them in a neck, ye be solve whatever issue no. Nti me feel say me involved in woman enya bone.
Nti wo fa panyin no konkopa esukonoma ablante na echew.
Enne de Nick
Because of bone any eniam ho me hu twi ne kra kan yi. Because of carelessness any odofun bi e be show mu nti no. Papa panyin mu no kopa akra keto na cho. Anyway me hu ne say Nick na wo wani abre ne so no. Wo di Yakopon ko ne ho kra nya de obepene because the other year ne ya. Benka techet me de ukokotena restaurant. Kasa wo Amanda no asori. No asnobe ne na ukọ. Na de o ka se wo pamo wo kwase an Nick afiche na akọche no. Enya adwuma o. Menya sure say de obeye bi ebe yi. But so de akọtrai he.
I don't know kasa to say
de nearby. Menya Nick nua ba nka obeka chem say me nko frefre no. Me nim say the situation ne tie. And I mean de wo ye no nyina am witness to everything you did. When you were blinded by taxi driver's love, we saw everything. And so the other year, Nick he still stands. He still has pains inside his heart. No, I'm not sure. Said the whole year, no, he will just forgo everything in the name of who of a bepanacho. It's not their child, not sign of it. Hey, can't show papa. Boy, and so no, madam. Try her. I said there is no. I'm interested in that. And I don't know for anyone. No friend. Too good. Flow of a penny, no, uncle. No sim gim, no for uncle. Why? O kwa no kopacho be me na ye fa mo fa se pacha no yo ye wanya de na sa ne nta
na dream me say me for dream me ho sa
bedwuno
no for no dream me ho matopa ho hia no papa
sa wo fa me ene onu a unpe bi ma we
ndene be connect ko no akopacho
nkwe uko na atopa bi wo ha so no so agibi kwe
ono ne pade dende hwan na be ma na atopa
ono ko na se papa panimu wo fa no so timi di wachi ne wo ko de ne wo fa so wo papa ei
ye ne wan ko fa na ko tutun se mo bu na so mo se wa wo minimum minu wa bedi nkomo we kra sese hwekra na me right inside wa mfa phone amfra me wo fa anko temeto anko keka nsam ankyere no
se bia na me ka ne
se wa mesrew hwe na wanko me amefre no ne nakasa
na ne oni so wa be frɛ na wo be ka kyema
me bisa wo se wa frɛ because my friend
na frɛ me say o frɛ na
e say one patch we de mani si here hwe na wanko frɛ wo fa anko ka bia ankyere me ankasa me frɛ no na me ne nakasa
be to na me wo fa no me frɛ ne nkyia no
e say wa yo we de ma me frɛ no ankasa we de sia frɛ
me so omo no de o wana sa o ma me 5
memma we 7 million
o da o ma me
Proba se bia sam to a obetime twitwa agye wo se wo case ni by 40,000 o ma abena ma guess and disrespect wo atwe wa boss sa
hey George we de betwem keke me gia boss on se makɔhwe
Adam say
5,000
ye ne ka da wanim
se sika su kutanti ka mesra zan ka ba me akoze sama me fra laji
na sika ne kura me atwere gu ho gia boss sika na say uhu sika ni tina wakati ujia boss ase
amefra alaji dollar man
na onyere inusa na
inusa
no mesa dollar
na komesa
be pounds ana oni
e bi so me say koba be sa
na me fanya de o sanam de ade
ka bombo say 50 bi kra jia boss
so si abra yo ba o de o ba wi aso hu so bi da friend eh
me ndi sika wono na me say unia ne me na se kakra wo nsem na mambia
kakra be me ka e kan ye de te so
na ka be na de te so na say wo kan ye tia mo wati wa kan na ma
na me ba o me maji ujia boss ana
bosia bo me se
o hina me mfa me sika nko bo besia why me nya adwuma wo savings and loans itino me ntimi ma obesia dabi me nya adwuma wo savings and loans o me ntimi ma obesia obra me na me de ma sisia na wura dem na twa hwu a me ko ende
me wu sei
wu sisia o ka wona wu a o ka wona me ko jiska na fura na me ko ende
na isi engine oil no so o mo say ka 500
o ka na ngaza wai
nse si fitem
ana fita fo ne se dey
dia boss engine oil
na ne fro wona ti beba o sisi ankasa wa ankasa o to sisi o sika da wa kan sumu pa ese
doso
ese
last time visiting 1,003
30 million.
Ghana cedis.
To win now, sika the accounts win. We are seeing 30 million.
Ghana ska. Na.
Was a uja masamanka, oh, any muskim. Kaku any muskasimo.
And the man chiska, and also dear.
So, Lusika Massam.
Media Massam.
And to me too for interrumpe, it would be interesting. Why?
Now, to be no change a
crash on Saka carry your phone to fool. Why? That we find a crash on Wintino. Sir, I am now the credit. Missika, then no can mean to them the way.
Send me person.
Not a day.
Good between. There be a more food to be
medical talk.
Mr. Wood, listen to me. Mrs. Our relationship way on. Me jai. I'm out. It's over. It's over. Debbie, me baby. I'm at the end. Relationship can't kind bear no. What's me tell me how to make us any umume back, umume peace. No, I'm not interested. No, it's over. We are done. What's it? Why? Yao George. Jamayo say me ade masayana. Yao George intina me nuja. Won't na si hunu nyansa say you are always abusing me. Wanna make us sapasa. Umume, you don't accord me any respect in this relation. Yao George, how does he come in this equation? Me no war no Yao George no or ye mediator. Ye ntem jina for no Yao George. Ah boy Yao George di e wo me no nkom. Ade Yao George. Ejuma ye ne Yao George ye no. Hey, Mr. Wood. See asem na ye kom ne tie me. Ejuma ye ne Yao George ye no. Me catch us Yao George. Me sure onye smart enough. What do you say? Inti anka ye empe kwan fo. Me show kwan no to aka se me ne twemta enu ti me ne wuja. Agro yemwo unye serious ba ko say don't involve. I said avoid me. Would avoid me. Mr. Wood, it's over. Ye die. Don't call me again. Me say insimi fie ho. I don't want to see you anywhere close to near. Bye. Baby George. Nah, Mr. Wood pa. I say Yao George there. Me no watch it. Baby George.
Me didn't know better man Nana Mankwa.
Wait, didn't feel same.
Yeah, Nana Mankwa. MC any day mention dengini sa. But me pese me do my 48. Said the pension no. There be 58, in 58. Te me kwa na my do my 3 years for na me pension. Me pese me do my 58. And I don't know.
Those kakra do me full same kebia.
Me economy the margin and answer between the pension no. Oh yeah, I bet you are come more. Today in 58, you can't buy 2 years. Imagine. Say I say one pension, America pension. The better to so to me that you do Manchester. Till 58.
Now I already.
I already. Oba. Now what damn come so a whole lot. Some in the Hanabet. My land in so many years. My ultimate in the Nana Mankwa. Okay. Matna London Sana. Me pesa me kodi na kakra me kodi no America. And I na I say unipa unim no.
Oh, me nim na check kakra me nim it's almost 5 years baba.
Oh, sir. I am a small boy, school time in Amiana, me Tomani, I
never knew.
Oh, yeah. Me say so, yeah, I make a connection, or you're good, and I'm so afraid. It's my brother. I'm for a canton in seminar on your way, mommy. So I say, Minia, you cannot met it.
For how long?
Matra, you came more than 18 good years. But I say, but me, I hate everything about Bruni. I mean, I'm a Cassani, I didn't know me. Me a Ghana and Ashanti by from Ashanti me quiet. But I say so I always cherish my casano into the woman. I will trade here. Me take Ghana yeah. Such a beautiful girl. Now I'm within Ankasa. Mama number me.
Say it.
Okay.
Oh, Kobby. Oh, you're good. Why you be a come?
Right. Good.
Me age, me I'm so 58.
Perfect.
Me I'm so 58. And person me age much.
Come on, 58 days and
Say the person me age 2 years now before friendship. 2 years.
Listen, come now, meet Annie. She's my girl, like, no yet more British embassy. And
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
British embassy.
Oh, yeah. She's worked there for so many years.
Wow.
Yeah.
But I decided to give her like a big offer.
Oh, that's
yeah. A privilege, so you to my mom. Annie, what did you ring?
That you, me.
No, it's okay. Go for lunch. It's really do a house.
Lunch, me that's what.
Okay.
Oh, me, yes, and that's.
And today, just find something to eat. One day, I may handle baby. Come on. Now, age there.
Age in the machada coffee. Minim, when person may age more America check. Come, my bro. Coffee, my very yard, mamma.
And now, what papa you money?
Papa, we queer. Farm. Odo.
Okay.
Coffee.
Now, and can we know what area? Oh, we don't fall baby. I come, Mamma, and say, or an more process now.
Coffee, medical can be at your miss our same.
It's okay.
My bro. Coffee, Miss Merwa made do a moist Legon palm. I don't phone a maker.
Sir?
Make coffee. Me dimusa, Jumana me yedi.
Sir?
It will become me ya mere and could see a sickany baby. Coffee, me knew the by my semi beer. Coffee woman.
Yes, I don't want to say it's the boys to be a human.
Oh, I know, and Madame for being introducing me.
Oh, wow.
What you say? And it will be a stress, I'm telling you.
We back now. Yeah, back where we belong.
I dear Pena,
Frank.
where so anymore, only a separate feeling, Casa, and I as a shower, Marina more. So I just wanted to know what the conversation is about.
We did ASM, but I not sim biasa. Internal. Me woman send me a person said I'm a kind. Asem no ehun ya me pa. Me here asem. Can I confide in you?
Oh, you can feel free to talk right. So. The George I be there.
Oh, there be George sir. But yes.
Talk quite free.
I mean, person will be able to quite full. So if I make her say, I don't want you to judge me. Oh, and yes, sir, but
until you just feel right. Maybe my no have me say boyfriend. Why?
Oh, man, but yeah, maybe Muna, many million bear man, a bar, who feel honour, only Jordan introduced me a bear man of free UK buyer. Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah, mechanic.
Asem kakra.
Yes.
Intino. Onye minya sa. Oye minyo, but onye minya sa.
What do you want to say?
Chese. Mempina.
Come again. That guy is your boyfriend. Hey! Hey,
I told you don't judge me.
Nah, David. Until I'm so that now only panic about St. George, me catch a George said no. Maybe because so on channel Ukraine flu. Me sorry, me can't ask him. Don't channel Ukraine flu. Hey! No, it's all this war. Boy, your boyfriend. Until oh dear now, until
But the thing is, to say no, men pen say many in general, the other me he's frustrating me. I really don't want to be in that relationship. It's become toxic.
So, like, what's he using you for?
I can't tell you. Me to me can be beyond the person who want to say. Fetch me, Mr. Say I said no. He had a mission. Ain't na all say like yeah, in fact George yeah involved, but many George Nancy me so any papa George any papa ne George kwanya me boneda. Oh baby George or do what daddy dey acheme no. Into Mr. Where you me power show.
I said what confessing you no nana.
Debbie.
I did you obi.
No, but now say as a Russia say we.
I said my hack meet me no one serious.
Oh Debbie me so.
What do you want to talk about again? Someone nana.
But they won't be able to say me pet George me peno pepa or dog. The me George be anywhere a fake. Be a real. But who's a woman George? Who name George? Me shouldn't name the sir. Can perceive your baby or why, but me who like said your tear. Now me who because me person have been in 2 coin. Mint Nagana, Crameno, me were British passport. Yes, I'm a so. And I don't even have to stress out here. Many George, you better not brochure, you better not UK, you better boy a bra, you will live a life. Somebody need 2 coin, but who no. Many Georgians so any Amanda issue ne see and any wafani be moon na dam for no basa. As a mention that name masem no mention and trust it. Into what kind of prayer wom de but I don't want to repeat the same mistakes moving on with him. It's anka me no the ntia me friend no say me no nka me wo bia and I wo bia or baby anka e betimi assetting it up. Ne ahwe say ebe fan na like yen so na adwenwe ebi Amanda de ne de it was a one time thing ebi no ntesa ebi so no sa no te said ebe ya many mistakes in life because me need to kwan kwata broche na or the shemeni a ebe me ya
so dey na over some years ya
wo bua me se wo oba ni bia fabra na nka
wow shemia.
Yeah.
You said the major city, you
oh, they be me say me any say when you born it. Oh no George obet show do. Say the match no do no bet show do nti na enye born po. Enye born we dey enye born mesrew. Wo pe na minimum a wo ben no bi eni wo.
Pe nyam eni. Na say bia me say na che oba me say the George city star. No me be na ko so ba na nyi sim na me dey with my catch up. Me na me ni titi see no. I really want to know him very very well. Meaning no. But myself person say who ni be because
any say any no ano
kuti bibi ba be si ba person me ni din e bi kan do but dey me so interesting no it would dey asem we dey den pa o den pa asem e ba abochi na de ba mu no a also person on any partner abochi me we dey tuka me nkoso ya me dey
e bi kwa na wa be fa o
tuka be bo am na
be fa o
see as you set it trap money na see of falling into the trap that means somebody no
on falling
why go see this into the so be na me so aba no die
there be on falling.
Oh, you see.
Say some tempting yes spirit will be punishment. Or can say flee away from me, you devil. On falling. Me jilidi kwa be so. On falling to Mr.
What they imagine why I will let you know why. What they imagine why.
Show it a simple cry.
We in Pabonini, Papa.
We back now. We back now. Yeah, back where we belong.
Boy, that's a George on any papa.
Benson, I did tell you, why George did my first one. Said the George is the same. Who him said George at my fetch, crack okay, can send China Brown. Okay, can send Bassad.
Lie.
Do baby not bring me by me move. No one from you. No,
serious.
Did you know Cassa? Not George, I got to say,
guy, I swear to God. See, you won't die before your time. You won't die before your time. No, you won't die before your time. Bro, man, bro, see, some people like cut them off. Bro, time no deal. See, I feel put you on. Meet me the water.
I don't know, me anything I know me floor phone Sam catch on. Charlie, I need a lady, a nice lady. Me per say, you didn't trapping so.
Oh, that be very simple.
Me George girlfriend no crack and I said you won't come. Me girl na dey pen. Me na kasanti. Charlie, girls na warm. Me pen nice girl be a bit in the natural. Me say George pen ma pa. I just want to see who I'm working with right now. I don't want to see George very well.
Bro.
I beg you.
Slim as slim. Thick as thick. Ass as ass. Everything. Bro, I get every girl for you.
You will get pretty girl.
Which one you like?
You Benson.
Bro, me I still have a family. See, me, I get girl way, buy house for me, buy cars, then things for me. So you don't get problem.
I see how you get girls, we buy house and cars for
Yeah,
you. Can you put me on?
Oh, bro, I'm able to swear. Very simple.
You see, George, they like big guys. Girl with big booty.
Big dash.
Charlie, yes, put me on.
Bro, I get nash with the pillow.
Pillow nash.
Bro,
Soft.
Soft. I get that. Bro, I'm able to swear. Very simple.
Why a man so much?
Everywhere good.
But why a man so much?
Man, master, I get a degree.
Hey, Benson. I know what. Not that for a wicked power.
Very wicked. And your name. Very wicked.
Like, seriously?
Bro, not be serious. Wicked.
Hey, now, what's your friend say?
Madam, what's your friend George?
George. Oh, wow. I know what to be, sir.
Now, Nyama Wajeno. Very more. Nyama Wajeno. Bro, me, I know they blame anybody. Me blame you, BI. Be this. Me blame you, Ankasa. You know, they listen. I'm taking advice.
Like, serious.
Bro, very. See,
yeah, for talk this matter.
I for talk this matter. You vex me. I for talk this matter for you.
You do everything now, you vex.
Yes, nah. For I was telling me
Ben,
invest. Oh, you too much.
Ben, yeah,
Then they
but
can
say-
say, bro, show me I'm the now, bro.
Like, seriously. Me who no cross or mamma red crap. What I say? It's two days, but say, but only me. Men me here, Juma, and I'm in Pelon. Men pen and Simbia. Send your dick and catch him, boss. A human message out. Me set it up on so I may catch him. Me sick assembly. Mamma, my name be long. And yes, I chilled dear. Yes, papa and your bonnet on your day. And your shade. It's no. As I'll do them all. Man, it is a man.
Only problem, trust me. I do trust it.
I'm so no one can be other than.
Oh, yeah, one of my cabby, I also make us like.
Madam, who see some idea?
Yeah, it's not miss.
You know, any problem. Maybe be a Bessie Benson, so be so. But see, I did him on I come a so woman missing the girlfriend of my away.
The girlfriends we are away.
I will.
Set up, we set up. The girlfriend introduce meetings between
the two of us.
Yes.
Don't worry.
Why?
And no quantity. Calm down.
Trust
Watch
you.
us. Yeah.
Bro, I trust you.
Oh, don't worry.
Say, say, me
Calm
name
down,
Juma.
calm down.
Me wouldn't I have you much.
Oh, yeah, you might say. You know, okay. Medina Casano Science, the Premine and Nadi, and you know.
Everywhere
It is a home, Frenanes, I didn't
sorry, I'm coming show.
Hey.
Hey, not
Oh, Susiano, sorry.
She's not your girlfriend also. I don't want to see something like that.
don't worry.
George, he
Let me
likes
get
us.
it. See,
This is Nash. If you're talking about Nash, this is Nash.
Madam,
yeah.
Bro, you know be now. Bro, you know be
she's
now.
my client right now. She's my client. Hey, madam,
bro,
bro, sit up.
You know be everyone.
Say,
Mati.
so your name again?
Frank.
Yeah.
Nti me pacho yen say me be. We dey ma me nya number on. Nti case me free na me nya wa.
Obenyame. Why? Obenyame, bro.
Number Benson.
So when send them the can me see custom the work.
No.
Madam.
But so it is done.
What's that?
You're back killing it.
Hey.
In teacher and say me see custom the bassa na pay for say papa.
Ah, bono so nya
Benson me di kan di ko mo bia nti why? Yen keeping it clean na we am fan of pretty why?
Na pon is small amount.
Mat slow.
So come out. What you
That's
say?
it.
Confirm.
Be kasa why? Ti na me ni chi to ba si we see.
Then
I'm beginning I'm afro.
Okay.
You do the I will do minimum.
Tell you.
Oh, madam.
Okay. Charlie.
Madam. Kasa. The guys translate.
Oh shit.
Charlie,
about 5.
get any have you until we show so be ejuma.
Bro, trusted like damn. Confirm now. Me watch out. Say that Yapon him close. I know they remove my watch like that too. Nti me yim watch and say ya ko.
I just want
No,
to
bro,
know something.
sorted.
You get on so the neck of which you say, oh, who you on unity. And then get in Caucasa, and I know but 3 days so. And it go on in Caucasa, and then the secret some so. Me sort TV, you don't worry, and then in my Benson.
Abi your blood,
what's your
love?
What's your love? Hello, family. Was good 3940. Guess what? NKV Studios Emma free access to his unreleased movies on YouTube. Unreleased movies on YouTube. Episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode what. And then Kasabe. Shall link in that channel and also tap on the link. Just pay 10 Ghana cedis. 10 Ghana cedis per to watch the unreleased episode. 10 Ghana cedis and sana baba to public amu biya nya biya. But all person when the secret there to your 10 Ghana cedis per. Na bo link na so edo ko channel no so straight. Then do akwa share episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode 5. Na ka so go to your old trend there, o de koye bra, o de koye bra ni be dia dance here. Koye bra ni be dia dance here. I love you all. Happy Christmas. Love active.
We back now. Yeah.